That scratch on your car? The body shop wants $400 to fix it. The dealer says you need a full repaint. But right now, in my hand, I have a $1 powder that removes it permanently. In under 3 minutes, no shop, no machine, no chemicals. And here's what makes the auto industry sick. This has been sitting on the shelf of every grocery store for the last 50 years. They just never told you it could do this. Stay until the end. I'm going to show you exactly what this is, where to get it, and the one mistake that 90% of people make that actually makes the scratch worse. Every single car owner has been here. You walk out of a parking lot, and there it is, a scratch. Maybe it was there before. Maybe someone keyed you. Maybe your kid's bike fell against the door, and immediately the anxiety starts. You Google it. You get quotes. $300, $500, $800 for a proper repair. One body shop told me the only real fix is sanding down the panel and repainting it from scratch. But what they don't tell you, what they are trained not to tell you, is that 80% of car scratches never actually reach the metal. They're surface level, in the clear coat, the top layer. And the clear coat, it can be restored permanently for less than $1. Now, I want you to understand something. The auto body industry in the United States alone is worth $47 billion a year. $47 billion. And a massive chunk of that, we're talking billions, comes from people like you and me paying for scratch repairs we could have done ourselves for nothing. This isn't accidental. Car dealers make an average of $1,200 per customer just on paint protection and scratch repair packages sold at the dealership. They have a direct financial interest in you not knowing what I'm about to show you. And here's the part that genuinely shocked me when I looked into this. The compound I'm going to show you today contains the same base ingredient used in professional auto detailing shops, the exact same abrasive compound. The difference is the detailing shop charges $200 for labor. You can buy this for 99 cents at your local store. Before I show you how to use it, I need to show you something first. I'm going to scratch this car right now on purpose. A real key scratch. The kind body shops love to see. And then I'm going to remove it completely with this in under 3 minutes. If it doesn't work, you can close this video and I'll never mention it again. But if it works, I need you to share this with every car owner you know, because this information should not be this hard to find. Okay, it's done. Now watch. What you need? Number 1, white toothpaste, not gel. The white paste kind, standard, 99 cents anywhere. Number 2, a microfiber cloth. If you don't have one, a soft cotton t-shirt works. Do not use paper towels. They create micro scratches. Number 3, water. That's it. Step 1, clean the scratch area. Remove any dirt or debris, just water and a soft cloth. Then dry it completely. This step matters more than people think. If there's grit on the surface and you start rubbing, you'll create new scratches in the clear coat. Take 30 seconds, do it right. Step 2, apply a small amount of toothpaste directly onto the scratch. You don't need much, the size of a pea, maybe 2 peas for a longer scratch. The reason toothpaste works is the mild abrasive compound it contains, calcium carbonate. It's fine enough to polish the clear coat without cutting through it. Professional compounds work on the exact same principle, just marketed differently at 100 times the price. Step 3, rub in small, tight circular motions. Apply moderate pressure, not hard. You're not trying to sand it off. Think of it like polishing a shoe, smooth, consistent circles. Do this for about 60 seconds. Then wipe off all the residue with a clean part of the cloth before you look at the result. You see that? After one pass, it's already 60% gone. Let's do a second application. Gone, completely gone. The same scratch a body shop would have charged me $400 to fix. Done in 2 minutes and 40 seconds with 99-cent toothpaste. Now let me explain why this works. Because I want you to understand this, not just take my word for it. A car's exterior has 4 layers. The metal base, the primer, the color coat, and on top of everything, the clear coat. The clear coat is what gives your car that deep shine. It's transparent, it protects the color underneath, and it's approximately 50 microns thick, roughly the width of a single human hair. The vast majority of surface scratches only penetrate the clear coat. They don't reach the color, they don't reach the metal, there is 0 structural damage. It's purely cosmetic, a disruption in the surface of that top layer. When you apply a microabrasive compound, like toothpaste, you're leveling the edges of that scratch. You're smoothing the surface of the clear coat until the scratch becomes invisible to the eye. The material is not coming back, but the appearance of a scratch is entirely about how light reflects off the surface. Fix the reflection, the scratch disappears. This is literally what a $200 machine polish does. Same science. We just removed the middleman. Now, the mistake. The one thing I see people do that makes this worse instead of better. They try this method on deep scratches scratches that have gone through the clear coat and into the color layer. You can see this if the scratch looks white or silver, not just dull or cloudy. If it's white or silver, toothpaste will not fix it. Rubbing it will make it worse. You'll strip more clear coat around the scratch and widen the damage. Here's how to check before you touch it. Run your fingernail lightly across the scratch. If your nail catches, drops into a groove, it's a deep scratch. That one needs a scratch repair pen or a touch of paint before polishing. If your nail glides over it smoothly, it's a clear coat scratch. That's the one this method fixes perfectly. Nail test, 5 seconds, every time. Do not skip it. Toothpaste is the budget solution, and it works incredibly well for surface scratches. If you want professional level results for larger areas or multiple scratches, there's a compound called Meguiar's Scratch X. It runs about $10 to $12 at most auto parts stores or online. Same principle. Micro abrasive compound, but specifically formulated for automotive clear coat. I've used both. For single small scratches, toothpaste is honestly just as effective. For bigger jobs, the Scratch X is worth the extra $10. Either way, you're spending $1 to $12, not $400, not $800. And you're doing it in your own driveway, in under 5 minutes. The information in this video exists. It's not a secret. But it's buried under $47 billion worth of reasons to keep you from knowing it. That's why this channel exists. If this saved you money today, hit subscribe. Every week I find one piece of knowledge the industry hopes you never find. And I put it here for free. Drop a comment right now that says, "Fixed," if you're trying this today. I read every single one. And the next video, I'm going to show you what a $3 liquid does to a car engine that mechanics charge $200 to do in the shop. You will not believe what they've been charging you for. I'll see you there.